So I hope you're ready for something big, because in this video I'm going to show you a great lead, a great product to buy and resell on Amazon for a profit, and one of my favorite, Legos. As you know, I'm a big Lego fan, and this is a brand that once you get engaged you can sell. They sell at scale, they are great to buy, and especially now for the holidays with Christmas coming up, Legos will sell off the chart. In this video, I want to focus on one specific strategy that I've been using for years. Not many people know about it, and I think you're going to enjoy it a lot. So throughout the year, Lego will have offers and sales. And one of the main amazing things that Lego offers is the so-called gift with purchase. This is where if you reach a certain amount of dollars worth of spending on Lego, Lego.com will give you a completely free gift. And that free gift usually sells either on eBay or on Amazon for a huge amount of money. And it was completely free of cost for you. So in this video, we're going to show how to leverage the gift with purchase from Lego.com so you can make a good amount of moolah on your purchasing. So as you see, we are in the Lego.com homepage, and right here it says Disney gift with qualifying purchases of $100 or more. And if we click here to learn more, we arrive at this page, and this is the gift that Lego will give us if we reach $100 worth of spending on Disney specific Lego purchases. Now don't be thrown off by this number, $24.99. This will be completely free for you as long as you reach the requirements that Lego wants from you. You can also see more information if you go to shop right here and then offers and sale, and this week's feature promotion. As you see, Lego will display in this section right here all the gift with purchases that they have. And as I said, there are some periods that they don't have any gift with purchases. Throughout the year, most of the year, they will offer some free gifts. So you should always be on the lookout and subscribe to their email newsletter so that you're in the loop. They will tell you when the new gifts are coming up and when to be on the lookout for them. Now, always make sure to read the terms. So Disney purchases of $100 or more, and this is valid from September 23rd to September 30. Right now, we are on September 27th. So if you're catching this video in October, unfortunately, this gift we purchase will be retired, but be on the lookout for the new gift we purchase, because you will definitely find new ones, and you can use the same strategy that I'm going to teach you right now on future purchases. So now we know the dates that the gift we purchase is valid from, what Lego wants from us. Lego wants us to buy only Disney Legos to qualify for it, and at least $100 worth. And this will exclude Star Wars and it will exclude Marvel. So even though Star Wars and Marvel are part of the Disney family, we cannot buy, unfortunately, those brands to count for this promotion. But before we do anything, we want to make sure that this gift we purchase is actually on Amazon. And if it's not on Amazon, at least it's on eBay, for example. Not ideal, but if you can sell it on eBay or on Mercari, that could also work. But ideally, you want to find it on Amazon. So let's look for, I like to look up Legos by their number. Each Lego will have a number. In this case, the number is 40600. So yes, we did find this Lego on Amazon, and it's currently selling for a steady price. Let's take the most conservative sale estimate as my target sell price, and in this case I'm gonna go with $54.97. $54.97. And as you can see, the current buy box is held by this FBA seller at $57.48, but I'm going even lower than that. I want to be as conservative with my calculations as possible. By the way, if you like this lead, make sure to check out my list of online arbitrage leads, where I do all the work for you and I send you daily leads, 10 leads every single day, Monday through Friday. And you can get more information on this link right here or on the description below. So make sure to try that if you're interested. But let's go back into this product right here. So as you can see, with my most conservative target sale price, and obviously my cost is going to be $0, we will be making $41.10 profit. $41.10 profit on this alone. Basically, we're paying $0. If we sell it, which we will, because it sells 35 and the holidays are coming up and this is Disney, and why wouldn't a Disney Lego set like this sell very well? After all the Amazon fees, we will be getting $41.10 profit on this. All right, great. So we have found the Disney gift here on Amazon. So the next step is to find a qualifying purchase. So what I like to do is I go and I search for Disney, because again, we need to purchase Disney products only to qualify for this. And yes, you can try to find profit on every single one of these 9 pages worth of Disney Legos, which will be very time consuming, and you may be able to find a profitable item that way. But what I like doing is I scroll down and I see what is on sale. So we see that this one, for example, is 30% off. Look for the red clearance label, 30% off. This one is also 30% off. So start focusing on those ones. If you can't find profitable items like that, then yes, go one by one by one. So let's go with this one. So you're going to grab this number 40622 and you're going to try to find it. So we found this listing right here and it's selling on Amazon for $38.79, which I can tell right away that it probably won't be profitable because we're buying it for $27.99. So it does put us as a tiny bit of a loss right here, which is not too bad because I'm going to show you an out-of-the-box strategy that even though this is slightly unprofitable, with the gift for purchase, it all makes sense. So wait a second. But I think we can find a better product than that. As you can see on this one, we would be losing about 88 cents. Every time that we sell it, we would be unprofitable 88 cents. Okay, but bear with me, please. So the next one we're going to check is this one, the Haunted Mansion. So the Haunted Mansion is selling for $27.99. We did find it here on Amazon. It sells a whopping 134 units per month. And in this one is slightly better than this one, because in this one we would be losing 88 cents every time we sell. And this one we are only losing 9 cents every time we sell. And again, it sells for $39.99. Actually, the last 30-day buy box is $42. But again, I like to be as conservative as possible, so I go with $39.99, which is the current buy box, and we will be losing 9 cents. I can already hear you thinking, what, are you out of your mind? Why would you be buying an item that is going to lose you money? Okay, let me show you why. So as it stands, we are losing 9 cents every time we sell this item. But let's go ahead and add four of these ones to my shopping cart, because we need to get to $100 worth of purchases. So we added 4 units right here, 4 units. And as you can see, it says, congratulations, I have qualified for the gift we purchased. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to join Lego Insiders. This used to be called the Lego VIP Rewards. Now they rebranded it to Lego Insiders. And basically, Lego Insiders, for every $1 that you spend, you will get 6.5 points, which really translate into 5% cashback. So if you spend $100, you will get $5 back in future purchases. It will go into your account and then you can redeem it for another Lego purchase. So this is a great way to rack up your cashback using this Lego Insider program. So let's calculate. $27.99 multiplied by 4. 111.96 is what we would be spending today. However, we have joined Lego Insiders. That gives us 5% cashback. So we're going to multiply this by 0.95. So this is the real amount that we are spending, 106 106.36 divided by 4, 26.59. So as you can see now, every single time that I sell this, excluding Amazon fees, this is a net profit. I am actually profiting $1.31. I know, definitely not great. I like to be at least over $3 profit, at least over 20% ROI. This is not my metrics at all. I do not like this metrics as it stands. I like a much higher profit margin. I like a much higher ROI. Have we forgotten that we are getting this one for free? And as you can remember, the profit on this one alone was $41.10, okay? So what we're gonna do is put 41.10 divided by 4, $10.27. Let's just say $10.27. So you need to do this cost right here, what we had before, $26.59 minus the profit. Again, we would be selling this at a $41 profit, but we're dividing it by 4 because this is the amount of units that we would be selling. This was part of our buy. We bought 4 of these units, which we need to sell at almost a break-even point, like $1 profit. And then we sell the big boy right here, $41 profit. And then we divide that by 4 so that we can properly calculate. So $26.59 minus 10.27. And that gives us the actual cost would be $16.32 for this unit. Again, it's not the actual cost, but we are deducting the profit from the gift we purchased. And that leaves us with an overall profit of $11.58 per each of these 4 units that we are definitely going to be selling. And this is leaving us with a 71% ROI. It is not for everyone, I understand that, because you are depending on 2 variables. In order for you to profit this amount right here, you need to be able to sell not only this unit, but this unit. So both units need to sell. If one doesn't sell, the other one will be unprofitable basically. But if both sell with no issues, then this strategy works 100%. And I've done it so many times, and it's such a wonderful strategy. That's why I wanted to share that with you today. Now, bear in mind, these are Legos. We are approaching the holiday. Legos sell well throughout the year. There is no question in my mind that these 2 sets will sell incredibly well. The only problem with this strategy really is that Lego will only allow you to purchase 5 of this. They usually will limit the quantity that they allow you to purchase per item. So if we want to do this strategy again, we either have to do it with a different Lego.com account that we will need to open, which that creates a horrible mess, or we will need to find a different Disney item, kind of like what I showed you before, the one at the beginning of the video that I think was like 88-cent loss, but as you can tell, it would turn easily into a profit. So you could do it again, purchasing that one, that again is Lego and Disney. Why wouldn't it sell, right? So again, this strategy works really, really well. And I wanted to share that with you because I have so many questions from you guys saying, how are you buying Legos? How are you making it work? And I buy from Zavvi, which if you haven't, Zavvi is a great place to buy Legos at a discount. I buy from Barnes & Nobles, another great place to buy Legos at a discount. Or not, Walgreens. Walgreens.com has Legos in clearance, which is amazing. I buy from Target. I buy from Walmart, and I buy from Amazon.com themselves. I spoke about this in the past, but you can set up alerts using Keepa. You go to track the product, and then every time that, let's say you want this, if it's selling for $40, if you wanted to catch it at 25 or less from an Amazon seller, FBA or FBM or Amazon themselves, people will track it for 1 entire year, and then once you hit this blue button, start tracking, they will send you automatic emails saying, we just found, alert, we just found a product that meets your requirements of $25 and less. You catch it, you go and you buy it at a discount on Amazon itself. And that's another great way of buying Legos. But one of my favorite strategies is the one that I just told you about. This strategy is money on the table. I'm telling you right now, you have to use this strategy as much as you can. The gift with purchase strategy is a money strategy. And I hope you like it. This was my early Christmas gift for you. I hope you enjoy it. And make sure to try my online arbitrage leads if you haven't already. And if you like leads like this, I can say that the leads on my list are actually even better than the one that I just showed you. And make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. It really helps bring the YouTube video forward to more people. And make sure to crank up your spending if you can, because we are approaching the holiday season. You want to make sure that you are fully stocked up on your inventory so that comes November and the Black Friday and Christmas holiday combination starts hitting, your inventory starts selling like hotcakes. So make sure to really spend the rest of September and October are very strong months to buy a lot of inventory so that you are ready for the holidays. And I'm going to leave you with this video right here that I think you're going to enjoy a lot, and make sure to watch it, and I'll see you on the next video. Keep up the good work.